Today's video is on English idioms on happiness. Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. Grinning from year to year, meaning broad smile. Usage: she was grinning from year to year when her name was announced at the prize distribution ceremony. On top of the world, meaning extremely delighted. Usage: I was on top of the world when I was made the head girl of the school. On cloud nine, meaning extremely happy, delighted, elated. Usage: my parents were on cloud nine when I told them that they would become grandparents for the first time. Over the moon, meaning feeling of happiness. Usage: I was over the moon to see my grandparents at the convocation. Have a whale of a time, meaning to have a good time, time of pleasure and amusement. Usage: we had a whale of a time at the party. Have a ball, meaning to have a great time. Usage: Shujoy and his friends had a ball of a time in Venice. Paint the town red, meaning to have an enjoyable time, usually by visiting places such as bars, clubs, etc. Usage: Sarah and her friends decided to paint the town red this weekend. In seventh heaven, meaning to be extremely happy. Usage: we were in seventh heaven when the doctors informed us that our daughter was cancer-free. Happy as a lark, meaning to be very happy, excited or delighted. Usage: I was happy as a lark when I was told that my grandparents would be visiting us in summer. Happygolucky, meaning someone who enjoys life, someone who doesn't worry, happily unworried, carefree. Usage: Sam is a happy-go-lucky person. He doesn't worry about his future. Happy camper, meaning a contented person, someone who is happy or content. Usage: I have a high-paid job, an apartment, a car and good friends. I am a happy camper. To burst with joy, meaning unable to contain happiness within oneself. Usage: the kids burst with joy after they were told that the school has arranged for a picnic for them. Walking on air, meaning to be extremely happy, elated. Usage. Linda was walking on air when she got a call from the recruitment agency telling her on being selected for an interview. Practice lessons. She is on top of the world because she passed with good grades. My parents and I were on top of the world because we won the lottery. They were on top of the world seeing their daughter receiving a scholarship from the university's dean. Sheila surprised her parents with tickets to their favorite destination. They were on top of the world. Anne surprised her best friend at her wedding. The latter was on top of the world. The grades have been announced online. Students who excelled were on cloud 9. I am finally going to meet my nephew. I am on cloud 9. The ex-army man will soon reunite with his service dog. He's on cloud 9, said his wife to the reporters. Our children are on cloud 9 because we are taking them to Disney World on the weekend. Rita was on cloud 9 after the news of the arrival of a new smartphone was announced on social media. I am over the moon because I received compliments from my friends today. The books were finally delivered. The librarian was over the moon. Anne was over the moon because her mother baked her favorite cake. We were over the moon to see Aunt Sheila at the party. Jack was over the moon to see his childhood friends at the school's reunion. Mira and her friends are going to paint the town red on the weekend. We were looking forward to paint the town red until Sid decided not to join us. My brother and his friends decided to paint the town red on his birthday. The would-be bride and her bridesmaids painted the town red hours before her wedding. We haven't painted the town red in a while, said Sam to his friends. We had a whale of a time at Maldives. My cousins and I had a whale of a time on our vacation. Rohan had a whale of a time when he made a solo trip to the Himalayas. No one expected to have a whale of a time in Italy. The sudden rain stopped us from having a whale of a time. I was in seventh heaven when I saw my name on the winners list, said Rita. Our only child has secured a position in a prestigious university. I am in seventh heaven, said the father. Our parents surprised us with tickets to the opera. We were in seventh heaven, said the daughter. The motor accident left Samira paralyzed. We were in seventh heaven seeing her walk again without any support, said her friend delightfully. Her dream has come true. She is in seventh heaven. She is happy as a lark with her daughter's academic performance. The coach was happy as a lark when his team scored several goals. The principal was happy as a lark when she was told that her school won the trophy at the inter-school drama competition. Rohit's parents were happy as a lark because he received a letter of confirmation from a prestigious university to study medical. Mary won a gold medal for sports. Her friends and family were happy as a lark. The girls passed their exams with flying colors. Their mother is a happy camper. I got the opportunity to meet the CEO and discuss my current work situation. The meeting went amazingly well, and now I am a happy camper. She was not a happy camper when she was told that her assignment topic was rejected by the university. We were not a happy camper when we were told that our reservation was cancelled because we couldn't make it on time to dinner at the restaurant. Her favorite piece of jewelry went missing from the cupboard. This surely made my aunt not a happy camper. The coach burst with joy when his team was declared the winner of the tournament. She burst with joy after learning about her relocation to an exotic country. The little children burst with joy when their teacher handed out colorful candies to them. Jane and her sister burst with joy after they were told that their father was cancer-free. The doctor and his team burst with joy after conducting a successful operation. I was walking on air when the news of my employment visa was emailed to me by the HR assistant. I'm so happy in my new apartment that I feel like I'm walking on air. Sheila is walking on air ever since she received a letter confirming her promotion. My friends and I are leaving for Venice next weekend. We are walking on air. He was walking on air after hearing about the birth of his first grandchild. Sheila is a happy-go-lucky girl. I am a happy-go-lucky person, said Anne. She is a happy-go-lucky girl and we doubt if any negative thing bothers her at all. She's always been a happy-go-lucky person. My grandfather is an apt example of a happy-go-lucky person. He never worried about his future. I was grinning from ear to ear when a bouquet of flowers were delivered to me at my doorstep. She was grinning from ear to ear on receiving a prize from the class teacher. Aunt Sheila was grinning from ear to ear seeing her favorite niece. Receiving birthday messages from her high school friends made my mother grin from ear to ear. I couldn't stop grinning from ear to ear when I saw Bensil approaching with a bouquet of flowers in his hands. I had a ball at the party, said Jay. Come on everybody, let's have a ball. I am looking forward to have a ball on the vacation. My grandparents had a ball at their 50th wedding anniversary. As much as we tried to have a ball at the party, we couldn't because Anisha was feeling ill. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you.